This is how passive income works in 60 seconds. Here we have John. He just graduated high school and he goes to his parents and say, hey, I need a new bicycle because I don't want to walk around on campus. I have to commute and I need some way to get around. And they say, well, here you go, John. Here's $5 for a bicycle, but you gotta promise us you're going to pay us back. And John says, okay, yeah, I'll pay you back for sure. And so John takes his $5 and he says, well, let me go buy this bike because that's what I promised my parents I'd do. And he buys a bicycle, but then he's like, I gotta get a part-time job because I gotta find a way to pay him back. And that's when John gets a job at the library. And at the library, he hears two kids say, man, I hate having to walk around campus all the time. I wish I had a way to commute. And John steps in and says, you know what? I have a bicycle. I'm only using it 2 days a week, but the other 3 days, I'll let you use it. And the best part about it, you can only just pay me $1 each day. And they're like, yeah, that makes sense because that's way less than buying my own. So what happens is John does this for the next 2 weeks. And in 2 weeks, he makes $6. And now he's in a position where he can take that $6 and actually pay his parents back and say, you got a good return on your investment. Look at Johnny boy. But not only that, these two kids are happy because they're getting a bike at the fraction of the cost. And of course, John is happy because he made a profit and he did no work and he spent no time. And every time he rents his bike from here on out, it is pure profit. So if you like this type of information, you want to learn more about passive income, comment below. We'd like to see what you want to see next.